In this video, we will introduce the LRS Query Analysis tool in V.Pathways for Planning. LRS, or Linear Referencing System, is a data layer that represents road networks that are maintained by the Virginia Department of Transportation. There are over 70,000 linear miles of road networks in Virginia. In this example, we will use the LRS Query functionality to visualize safety information. First, add safety data by clicking the Add Layers button on the bottom left of the screen. We will add layers for bike pedestrian safety, crashes, PSI intersection, and PSI segments. Next, click the LRS button on the right of the top toolbar to open the LRS Query workspace. On the left, a new workspace is shown to analyze route segments with the LRS Query. A route can be identified by tracing on the map or by entering a route name. To enter a route name, start typing the name to see a list. In this example, we will investigate I-81 South. The measure field can be used to isolate an area, such as mile 185 to 200. Click Apply to run the query. The analysis will focus only on the selected road network and the limits of the road specified in the LRS query. The results will display in a table with multiple tabs for the layers and analysis views. Clicking on a row will zoom to the location on the map. Each of the tabs provide other data analysis information about the current data set. Data visualizations can be created to show information about the current LRS query.